Hi guys and welcome back. So, as recently, I have changed the whole logo and name. It makes it, some reasons why is that it makes it so it's easier to find the name. The logo's a little, expresses two of them instead of just one. And yeah, express another thing. Every time we play a game, we will make a channel for it. So right now, we're gonna start off on channel 1. Hi guys. No, the app is not updated. Hi guys. Well, oh wait. Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Hi guys.
Wait, today we're gonna be playing the zombie apocalypse. Yeah,
Zombie apocalypse
the
update.
zombie apocalypse update. I've heard it's like a weapon thing. Oh yeah, we can buy. We don't have to unlock this, even though I have most of the things unlocked here. You don't have to unlock the rocket launcher, the revolver, or the shotgun.
I know, this is so sick. And if you're wondering,
And it also has auto reload. Press and hold. So I think that means we can
Does?
auto reload. Right here, Hector, right here. Look, where? The toaster. Right there.
yay.
Oh yeah, so I want to look at something. I think there was something new for to unlock here. Let's see. Yep, there's a bunch of things new. First thing, wait, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Look, that's a cool hammer. A lance. Wait, that's a new kind. Hector, look, the lance looks different.
It does?
Look,
Where?
the lance.
Oh, wait, there's a Viking hammer and a Viking hammer Twilight. Wait, where's the lance? Where's the lance? I need to find where the lance is.
Oh no, the lance is not different. I was looking at the Viking hammer, but it was covering the lance.
Yeah.
Oh my God, the Viking hammer.
And know
looks
what?
cool.
This actually works. Does this actually works? Look, let me show you.
Okay, we're gonna.
And then if you hold down the reload, look what happens. Look, listen to this.
Wait, I'm looking at the grapple, the new
Listen.
grapple. Look at this thing, the Elite Brave. What does that mean? What is the Yeep? Okay, I'm gonna try to unlock.
Listen to this. It's gonna auto reload. Look.
Okay, whatever. We're trying. Let's not talk about that right now.
Oh wait, I just
And
realized.
Actually, guys, it's actually raining. I just realized that. Hector, come over here. I saw something.
You know what?
Yeah.
We're gonna be.
No, don't
starving.
do that yet. Don't do that yet. Oh my God, don't do that yet. Why did you do that? Okay, we're gonna have to do this. Wait, is there a way to kill?
No, I can just start I can just do restart and then it's.
Look, no, let's go do this quickly. This way. So I saw this blue wire that I wanted to check out. What does this lead to?
Should I drop my thing?
Come on, come. Okay, so right.
I'm gonna drop my thing.
What is over here? Come look at this.
Wait, what?
The remote. This must be about the zombie update. So Hector, go press the button for me.
Okay.
Let's see what that does, because I'm wondering what that does. I think it starts the zombie apocalypse, but I do not want to destroy. My game just broke right now. What the heck was that? Okay, get ready. I should have bought a revolver. Come here, I did. Hector, I need help. I didn't buy a revolver yet.
Buy a revolver.
Hector, get the data. How do you auto reload?
You just.
He went inside. He left me to die. Oh my God. I'm dying. Dang it. This is so creepy too. Hector, come back here.
but for some random reason I went into
How
there
do you
by
auto
accident.
reload?
You hold down the reload button and it'll
What do you mean the reload button?
So, this.
That auto reload.
hold that down to-
so that
yeah.
it basically gives you free ammo.
Wait, does it work with the rocket launcher? Let me test it.
Can we use that on the zombies?
Yup, it does not.
It literally says only the revolver and shotgun.
Okay, I'm gonna do the shotgun.
You ready? No, okay, fine. 3, 2, 1, start. Darken mode. I hear the zombies coming.
Oh! Die.
One's after you. I don't have any ammo. I don't have any.
Shoot!
Big one. It's not working. Oh, dang it. Ah! Hector, I think that's... Hector, I need to be revived. I need to be revived. Kill them now. You know what? I'll respawn. I'm coming to help you. Safe spot. Oh my! What the heck is happening? Okay. Okay. Buy a revolver. Hector? Hector? Hector, why are you not talking? Why are you
I'm just not talking for some reason.
Ooh, what are these? What is in these red boxes? Ammo. Ooh, I would do well that.
Oh, and it's starting again.
Shotgun. I need that.
Oh my gosh, big one! Watch out!
Oh, I killed that. Oh my god. Okay. Why did they not die? Oh my god, I almost landed on a landmine. Got him. How many zombies? Got him. Are we good?
There's still one more left.
I gotcha. Let's go. Wait, I'm gonna grab a bag. I'm gonna grab a bag. So I can collect all of these.
Oh wait, there's a timer. Oh, and it's starting.
Hector, grab a bag. So you can store the boxes. Grab a bag. Ow. Get it. I don't have any. I don't have any ammo. Hey, buddy! Need to reload on the shotgun. I'm dying. I'm low health. I don't have any health. No. Oh my god, they're all laughing. Don't turn to me. I don't. Oh my god! Oh! You looked in the wrong place, and you can't hurt zombies in the safe zone. Look, safe zone. No damage. You have to leave the zombies off the safe zone. You want me to do it?
Nah. I think I'll take this.
They're after me! Help me! I don't have any weapon! Open the safe thing to see if you can get a weapon or something.
Well, I'm dying.
I'm dying too! What do you think? I'll grab some ammo. I can buy some ammo!
Where are they?
I killed him! I killed most of them!
I just wasted a bunch of money, but whatever.
Ow! Hector, I don't have any ammo! Coming for backup! I'm dying! Why are they all? They're all after Hector now! I need to go help him! grab my shotgun. Where's my shotgun? My shotgun was on my back? What the heck? Reload.
By the way, these are the best.
I got shotguns and revolver, so
Oh my gosh!
if I run out of shotgun, I can just use my revolver. Get them! Get it! Hector, I got a plan! Group them up! I'm gonna grenade them! They're getting in.
Hey, buddy! Bud! Bud, come over!
No, let them all come! I got a plan. I'm gonna jump in the air and throw a grenade at them. You ready? Let them all come to me! Did it! Ow! Ow! Did it! I can't! Throw the grenade! I killed most of them! I sacrificed myself for you, Hector! Kill the rest!
Oh yeah? You wanna hurt my friend?
Can I get another shotgun? Got both of my weapons back.
No, buddy!
Need backup! Let's go! Get it! I need a reload! Ow, I can't see! I went out my battery! Kill the last one!
We have 8 seconds.
Where's my bag? Yeah. I have 10 more minutes, Hector. Let's always try to get to round 10 to do this quick though.
Oh my god! There's so much over here. I repeat.
Help me! Help me! There's so much! There's so much! They're killing me! I see them! Ah! Oh! Oh! We're not resetting this. We're at wave 6. Ow! Ow! What was I trying to get? I forgot.
Go over here. They won't kill you.
They can't get out of. I got a revolver from a box. Let's start killing, baby. I think you should find the boxes. I'm trying to clear out the crowd. Hector, did it! I'm clearing the crowd. I may be able to revive you though. No, I can't. I cannot.
I'll kill them from behind.
Hector, use the boxes that were in your bag.
Oh yeah.
I'm killing some.
I'll kill them.
I got this. You nuked me, Dane. Hector, you forgot they cannot be killed in the Dane safe zone. Hector, I'm dying. You are Hector. Grab the Dane revolver and start shooting. Let's start crowing a crowd, baby. God dang it, I'm killing them slow by slow. Hector, did it! I'm shotguns are reloading my revolver. Reloading my shotgun. Look at how many zombies. Oh, this is working very well. Let's go, baby! It's zombie killing time! Where did my shotgun go? Where did my shotgun go? I'm gonna grab some. Don't turn to me. I'm just trying to get my shotgun. You heard nothing. There's nothing behind you. I'm reloading. You ready?
No.
Gotcha.
Are you ready?
I need some
Die.
bags. What the heck are you doing?
Nothing. Guys, we're definitely wasting a bunch of money on
Yeah. But it's worth it for you. Damn. I was not ready for that one. They're all out here. It's zombie killing. I'm at a robot. Shit, why does it take so long? Oh, yes. Dude, I'm stuck in the crowd.
Jump up and shoot!
Yeah, just jump and shoot. That's actually the greatest idea ever. You can go in the crowd, Hector. Ow, I just died because you shot me. You shot me, Hector. Ow, damn it, no! Why do you keep shooting rocket launchers in the safe zone? They cannot die in the damn safe zone. What the heck happened here?
They actually do. They do
Shocking.
die in the safe zone.
No, he didn't die right now. The only reason why was okay. Some of them were out the safe zone, to be honest. The safe zone for them is very weird. Get up here. Get in the shop in 3. Go! Go! Get in the big shop!
Go.
Did it just bust?
Ding!
Oh my god! We found the most cheatiest pace ever. I'm gonna try to get the big guy, okay? The big guy.
They can somehow get you. If you're not paying attention in the play.
Go. I'm gonna try to get the last big guy. Got him. Got the last big guy. Just take care of the little ones.
They die more faster if you get out of the safe zone. It's milk time!
How many did you kill with that? Not that much.
A lot.
Some of them, no, not that much. Literally. Oh, dang it, I died. Wait to go. Get to the dance. Ow, ow, ow. Ah, they surrounded me. They literally all guarding up on my body. Actually, I'm gonna go through the back. My controller, what the? Can I get some sort of? I got zombie! I think I got zombie meat! What does this do? That does not do anything.
Come on, get out! Get out of the safe zone! Get out of the safe zone, zombies! They insta-kill!
Thank you for leading them away! I need the grip! I'm coming to help! I did it! Got him! Let's go.
Wait, let me see how much waves we've been through.
Did we get to 10 yet?
Through 8. We've been through 8.
We have to get to a
We have to
little-
get 10 for the brewers.
Yep, 10 is at least good enough. And then we want to go see what things we can unlock today.
And then next time with Jordan, we'll probably get it.
I don't think Jordan will want to play this update, to be honest. He's scared.
actually playing. You know he's actually playing, right?
Oh, dang it, I'm dying. I have 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 more minutes, okay.
I need 3 more minutes to be honest. I died. They killed me in the safe zone.
Make them all stay there. Make them all stay there.
I can get them out. Just stay there. I did not mean to go here. Hector, we may just stop at 9 to be honest.
Nah, we're definitely gonna make it.
I do not know if I had.
No, leave them all to me.
I'll nuke them if you can get them. If you can get them out the safe zone. Oh, run! I'm going to the office. We're gonna have to end this. You should not be here. They're all coming out. Hector, they're in the office! Hector, I put them in the office! If you just can nuke those, you're fine.
Wait, they're in the office? Oh,
I
shoot, I see them.
I put some in the office. Though it's round 10. We did it. Hector, reset it. Actually, I'll press it. Let me do the orders. Reset. Okay. Let's see. Are they back?
Our progress was 50%.
Oh my god, we got... I'm going to unlock something. What should I unlock for today?
Anything. I'm gonna go get these and put them in my stash.
I don't know what to unlock. Wait, Hector, I have a question. Should I unlock the grappler, the new grappler, or the hammer?
No, do not get the grappler. The movement is so weird. I've seen videos on it. It's really bad. The movement's really bad.
What does it do anyways?
You can kill people with it, but the movement is really bad.
Okay, so
It's like a rip-off.
So I should get the hammer?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to see what the hammer does.
Oh
my gosh, guys, this was the most bestest adventure ever.
Can I get a
Possibly yeah. Possibly
I need to go unlock
the most. Okay, possibly the most awesomest game game out right now and update.
Okay, give me.
Besides Bone Lab does not count because everyone.
Okay, guys, we're gonna unlock the hammer. I think I can unlock it. Yeah, the Withering Hammer. That is where the lance is, so that should be right. I didn't even look where it was, but I remember the lance was right over here, I think. Grenade. Grapple launcher. I don't really remember, to be honest. Wait. I know it was in the red area of the lance, but I forgot where. Yeah? Yeah? Wait, let me just unlock this thing for the video. It's about to be the end. Okay. Okay. So guys, we have to do this in 3 minutes. Okay. Shoot, shield. There's a shield. Hulk! 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 That is a great reminder. Hammer equals Hulk. Then the weight. And that cool hammer. go. Oh my god. And all the shiny glory. Let's go see this thing. Let's go see this. So so basically, maybe this week or Friday, which I think there's something coming out on Friday, I don't remember. Hector! Did you start it
I was
again?
telling the viewers that
So
I
this is the
changed.
ultimate thing. Hector, come outside. Let's see how this thing works.
What the heck?
Go outside.
Okay.
Let's check. Oh, that is cool! It's like the Lancer. Oh my god! Hector, you can do. Look at this. Hector, look at what I can do. Where are you? Hector, look at this. Look at this. So if I do this, it launches me. And then
Wait, can I get one?
wait, look. Okay, launch. Wait, let me try this combo. You want to try the launch? Wait, Hector, I need you to move in the air. Yeah, right there. Stay right there. Yeah. Not there! Okay, right here. Boom! But, okay guys, so, this is a very cool weapon. I love how it looks and the style.
And I don't know what the void one does.
Okay,
There's also a void one.
Hector, go. Yeah, I saw. So probably,
Can I get one?
Probably on Friday, I will check out the other items that I'll try to unlock, like the new grappler and stuff.
Okay.
But to end the video, Hector, grab the hammer. Go over here. Go on this table.
Yeah. Wait, hold on.
I need to end this in 2 minutes right now. 3, 2, 1.
Goodbye, peace.
No, okay.
Whoa,
Hector, come back. Okay, and 3. Okay, stay here. You're gonna.
You could do an infinite combo with this.
Hector, come back. You ready? Say goodbye to the viewers, Hector.
No, please,
Say
no. Wait,
goodbye.
let me do the same thing to you. Say goodbye to the viewers.